Morning, guys. Well, last full day here. Getting some hot water boiled up here. Gonna eat my hardtack bread. Slept good last night, even though it got cold. Tried something different. I took my VersaCloth, which is about 5 foot by 5 foot piece of cloth. Hold on here. Alright. As I said, it got cold last night. But as I tried something different, I took my VersaCloth, which is a 5 foot by 5 foot piece of cloth, laid it out over my blanket, and then I took my rain poncho, which is about a little bit larger than that, and put that over my blanket as well, and I slept underneath those two. And I tell you what, it was a world of difference. It did get cold, but I was warm, quite warm. Slept good. Heard coyotes during the night and again this morning. Wish I got the footage here for it. So, the last full day. Today I'm going to try to catch some fish and, well, maybe do some cleanup here as well. And hopefully I'll bring the camera along this time, alright? See you later. Hey guys, I'm going to show you my bedding area. I'm not sure if I've shown it before, but I'm going to show it a little bit more detail of especially how I stayed warmer last night. So, as you can see, I have a nice layer of pine needles to sleep upon. If you're off the ground, you're not going to get that cold. Unfortunately, it's just that the blanket wasn't enough to keep the upper part warm. So, let me show you how thick the stuff really is. Alright guys, here's the ground, right here, and here's the top. Here's my hand. There we go, get a view. There we go. So you can see it's much higher than my hand. So we're talking about maybe 5-6 inches of pine needles all around. So, yep, that's good insulation. So let me show you how the bedding system I did last night. Okay, this is pretty much how originally I used my blanket. I was fine until it started getting real cold later on this week. So this is what I did last night here. First I had the blanket down like this, and then I put the VersaCloth over like so. Right now, as you can see, I put the VersaCloth on. Nice little blanket, so to speak. So that adds a little extra warmth right there. But let me show you what I'm going to do with my poncho and how I used it to really keep warm last night. There you have it. Just this little simple adaptation kept me much warmer last night. In fact, I knew immediately as soon as I went to sleep, started going to sleep, I realized I'm actually quite warm, and it was comfortable, it was nice. So, what I do in preparation is I'll before bed, before it gets too dark, I'll just do that. That way I know which way to go in instead of fumbling around in the dark. So, there you have it. What you can do with a little piece of VersaCloth and a rain poncho. So, more to come later, and I think it's almost time to go exploring and fishing. Right, before I get going, I want to show you something that was entertaining me this morning. Notice the two different colorations. This is how I had it over during the day. On the bottom, on the side here, it's not smoke or dust, it's pollen. Pollen from those trees. I'm glad I'm not allergic to it, though I could tell, like probably some of you who are allergic to pollen are already sniffling and snuffling already, just by the sheer thought of it. Anyway, thought I'd entertain you with that. Yeah, finally get some scenery in this area, huh? Right here is the west side of Mount Templeton. And this is Strawberry Meadows. Up that way is my camp, which is the cowboy camp that appeared in Karen Hood's Cave Cooking Video 1. Beautiful area, but this year it's real dry. You know, where those willows are right there, let's zoom in on that. It's supposed to be a stream or river, and it's dry. That's part of the river or stream right there that I get water, try to get water before it slows down. It's a weird river. It'll only flow in the morning and stop around 9, 10 in the morning and then be dry all day long. Anyways, let me show you around the area more. Here's one of the very old trail sign pointing to the direction of my camp here. But this is beautiful country, isn't it? Beautiful but hard, especially this time of the year. It wasn't for the fact that I was able to catch marmot and catch fish because it's so dry. But here's another trail sign right there. Well, yeah. Yeah, I mean, asked me early on this week, I'd say, would I think about coming back? I'd probably say, nah. Now, you know, after being here for about a week, I think I will do that next time. Come back here again, maybe next year. So, especially if it's a nice wet winter. And we got interesting cloud formations here, change of weather. So, moving on. Alright, here's what really gave me fits early on this week. Yeah. Nothing like reliving that terror of realizing that the stream that you're getting water from just dried up, and the area of this riverbed here where you went to has no water flowing, and you're wondering, what the hell am I going to do? So, yeah, I thought I'd show you this thing. This is one of the things that really threw me off early this week, and yeah. Hey guys, just want to show you exactly how dry it is here. Those cracks should not be there. This is late June, and about 2 months ago is when the snowpack finally melted. Just shows you how little snow they got. Look at this grass here. This grass should be vibrant, green, lush. Instead it's brown, wilted, like it's October or September. And that's not good. This is going to be a very bad fire year if they're they're predicting what it is. I mean, this is bad. Oh, I mean, if we thought last year was bad, this year looks like it might be worse. I'm not hoping for that. Hey guys, thought I'd point out this interesting cloud formation right there. Looks like a rope. But yeah, if you notice that they have swoops and swirls immense with them. It's called the lenticular effect. It's usually an indication that weather's changing, winds are going to increase. Oh yay. Don't know if we'll bring some thunderstorms or just wind. I prefer the latter, because any thunderstorms runs the risk of forest fires. So let's see if we can get this in more. So, moving on. So yeah, now you can see why I was completely taken back and just stunned, horrified, basically, just seeing this lack of water. I mean, there's something to be said of to not find food, that's one thing. But to not have water in this environment, that was terrifying. I was literally terrified of the fact of, oh my God, what am I going to do? How the hell am I going to have enough water to hoof it out of here? What am I going to leave behind? So, but things worked out. The river or stream nearby had enough deep pools. Found out where it's still flowing further on up. So it worked out in the end. This here's Mount Templeton. And there's like Templeton Meadows. That's where I wanted to go, but things got confused. It said Strawberry Meadows instead. So, oops. Anyways, moving on. And here's the water I was looking for. Didn't find this until about 2 days after discovering my stream was running dry. Needless to say, when I discovered this, it was a big sense of relief. I don't know if you can see it, but dang it. There's trout in here. So, hey guys, if you ever seen any of Ron Hood's trapping video, I believe this is the area that he caught the marmot in. So, yep. And if you look to the west, that's not good sign right there. Looks like I might get some weather later on. Ugh. Alright. Hey guys, I got skunked again. Don't know if the lure's too big or what. I was getting strikes, but they're not getting hooked, so to speak. Had a big monster. Yeah, came up, take a look, and went, nah, and went back. So, should have brought some flies, maybe. Or actually learn how to make them. So, anyways, weather's starting to change. It's getting a little, it's been all hit and miss type of thing. So, but the weather around here could change at a moment's notice, so I'm just going to head back. Just in case. So, catch you around.